Punch it, punch it. Let him step.
Look the score.
Head the hole, head the hole, head the hole.
Head the hole. You got your
Bounce,
there.
bounce, bounce. You're good. Good. Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Hey, watch this rolling around. 1 not 2 here.
Hey, watch that roll. Watch it too tight there.
There you go, there you go. Drive over, you're good, you're good. Tight, tight. One to the other, one to the other.
Your call. Want to get work somewhere else.
Nah, you're good, you're good. Drive over it now, drive over it now.
Oh, yeah.
It's alright, it's alright. Hey, if he comes to that, if he comes sitting back, go with it.
Hey, just watch that
Remember,
roll.
tight, tight. Minute to work here, minute to work. There we go. He sits, grab over it. Good. Make him open. Hold that wrist, make him open. You're good?
Yeah, he's got to open. You're good.
It's like she gets it like it doesn't work. There you go. There you go.
Third time, 15. Nothing.
Lift.
Lift.
Lift, lift. There you go. Get a cheap set.
7.
Backside here. Backside. Right towards us. Right towards us. All right, chill. Hey, catch.
Hey, you know they're coming. You know they're coming.
He's gonna switch it on. He's gonna switch it on.
Left side. Shoelace.
Good move. There we go. Try to switch it up to the right way. There you go. It's alright. Be patient. Don't rush anything. Hips. It's alright. It's alright. Relentless here, Trent. Relentless here, kid.
Elbow. Let's get one here. Ankle. Knees up. Got double knee drop. Double knee.
Go to low level.
Bounce.
Punch it. It's alright. Good.
2.
Hey,
Great job.
Great re-attack there. Let's go. Tight waist, come over this side. Tight waist, come over. There you go, step in front, tight waist. Good. Navy. Go to it. Good. Drive forward with it. There you go. All right. Pop some pressure forward. Good, Trey. Good.
Touch it, Blue. There you go.
Drive with that right.
Short time.
Hey, 9 here. No points. It's okay.
Hey.
Nothing big, no big moves, no rolling around here.
Leg attacks, be smart, heavy hands. Heavy hands with your legs. Comes hard, get him reaching left or right arm. He's coming, there it is. Elbow, get it. Sit him. Keep it.
Step up. Got it crossed here. Good.
Again.
So. Hey. It's coming heavy right.
Hey, he didn't cut it.
Time it up.
You want to stand him up? He didn't get it. All right. He's smart. He reaches right hand hard.
He's good. Here we go. Here.
There.
That wasn't hard.
There it is. Elbow. Heavy hands. Don't
Good,
reach.
good. Pace here. Pace here, kid. Good pace.
Nice.
It's all right.
Those heavy hands. Right there.
It's all right. Hey, I like that heaviness here. Get him going. There you go. Good, finish. You're good. That's it. Hey, you got your two. Tell him.
Hey.
Tell him. Two and then a ride here.
Heavy here.
Come on. So, push the pace. 25.
Get one. Get another one.
Stop,
Heavy
go.
hands,
Hey,
He got
showtime.
nice. 15.
Cut him out here.